Facilities is a team, and we have all participated. Everybody has contributed to making sure that we're ready. We have been working on campus enrichment, which is including a lot of the signs to introduce the students coming back to campus. Our sign shop staff have been working in tandem, printing all of the signs for COVID and the campus enrichment project. The locksmith, he is making all of our plexiglass shields for the entire campus. They are installing, in particular, plexiglass and our floor decals for physical distancing.
We went through the entire university probably 3 to 4 different times. We are actually preparing to go through it one more time before students land on campus, make sure their safety and health is our top priority. We've got some new machines that we purchased, and so what these machines are designed to do is give a more detailed disinfect or sanitizing. We've had one of our employees where he's building these sanitation stations. They're going to hold cleaner and paper towels and hand sanitizer that we'll check daily, and the faculty and staff and students will have the access to that all the time.
What I've really been trying to focus on is our space. First thing they'll notice is a lot less chairs. In general, our classrooms are probably anywhere from 50%, maybe even as low as 35% capacity. They'll notice a lot more signage across campus, signs to help students and visitors, employees know where they can sit in public furniture and stay physically distanced from one another. Guides to help keep even something as basic as traveling in an elevator, safe for everyone to use.
I'm proud and I'm ready for the students to come back on campus. I'm ready for them to see the university and the look it is now and what we've done. We've made a lot of changes across campus, and I think they'll be excited to be here.